Meaning of Derek Jarman.
Derek Jarman.
Derek Jarman.
Derek Jarman.
Derek Jarman. Derek Jarman was a British film director, stage designer, artist, and activist. He emerged as a key figure in the British film industry during the 1980s. His films often dealt with gay themes and queer culture, and his activism centered on promoting LGBTQ rights. He was also an accomplished artist, producing paintings, sculptures, and garden designs. Jarman was diagnosed with HIV/AIDS in 1986, and his struggle with the disease influenced much of his later work. He died in 1994 at the age of 52.